Did you know Google can personalize your search result based on your interests and preferences? Google has expanded its personalization features, giving you more control over the content you see in Search, Discover, and Google News. And in this video, I will show you how to turn on Google Search personalization using your phone. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. Now first, make sure that you have the latest version of the Google app installed on your Android or iPhone. You can search Google in Play Store, and if you see an update, go ahead and update the app. Once that's ready, let's get started. Open the Google app on your phone, then tap your profile picture or your Google account icon in the top right corner. Now from the menu, look for Search Personalization. And then you will see in here the option for personalization recommendations. All you have to do is turn the feature on. This allows Google to personalize recommendation based on your Google account activity. Once personalization is enabled, go back to Google Search and try searching for something you're interested in. Then you will see results and recommendations that are more relevant to your interest. Also, you can turn it off anytime by repeating the process. And that's how you turn on Google Search personalization on your phone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. That will be a big help for us to create more videos like this in the future. Until next time, peace out.